Hey guys, so just starting with this black thermo flask that my mom had. She finally wants me to do a tumbler. I was so excited. So I just taped off the top and I'm just kind of doing an ombre with the spray paint, starting with the midnight blue, then going in with aubergine. And then the French lilac, or the silver lilac, sorry. Once that was dry, I'm going in with my first layer of the Artisan Epoxy, and I added a little bit of the opal mica powder, like just a tiny bit, and it added this just really pretty fine sparkle all over the whole cup. And I think that's something really nice to do if you're just doing spray paint, but you don't want to see just kind of the flat spray paint underneath. So you can kind of see that little bit of shimmer. So once that was dry, I added blessed because my mom is blessed and she wanted her cup to say that. I thought that was so cute. So just putting that on the cup. This is like a kind of coppery, I think it's a textured vinyl. And I just thought that would look really nice with these colors. So then going in with another layer of epoxy, and in this layer we're going to do some marbling, but I wanted to make sure I got the decal on first so I don't like have the letters going on top of the marbling. This is the rose gold mica powder from DIY Epoxy, and I'm just taking it on a little stick, just a tiny bit at a time, and just kind of going over, drawing the lines where I want, and just making sure nothing's too like heavy. I just kind of connect all the lines together as it's turning. Just kind of make sure there's no like blank spots or just parts that are just looking a little weird. Then I take my embossing tool or embossing gun, either way, just kind of heating it up and moving that around so that the metallic parts in that rose gold kind of move and float, and it just looks so cool when you do that. Just make sure you don't heat it too much because it will start running and just kind of dripping as it turns, and it does not look good. Then you want to spray some alcohol to also give it a little more of a more real natural effect. It kind of breaks up the pigment and just looks really cool. So then one final coat of the Artisan Epoxy, and this cup was finished. I think it turned out so beautiful, and I think she'll love it. This is just kind of more her style instead of this like chunky glitter everywhere. I have your cup.
Oh, you do?
And I filmed it, so I'm getting your reaction.
Oh. Let's see. Oh, how pretty. That turned out very nice.
I like it a lot.
Well, that's a lot better than the Costco plain black one that I gave you.
Yes.
Oh, that turned out very nice.
And now you're gonna want like 50 more.
I probably will. And I'll take it to work and show everybody, and everybody will want one. So
exactly.
Get orders. Yes, awesome.